In this video I'm going to show you how can you check your passwords from the website you have forgot. So you don't need to reset any passwords after this, okay? So you have to go on your browser, okay? So it can be anything. It can be your Chrome, it can be your Microsoft Edge, it can be anything, okay? A Brave, anything, okay? So what you have to do, this tutorial is for every browser, by the way. So you have to go on your browser, you have to go on settings, like you have to click on this dot and you have to go on this setting, not in this password stuff, okay? You have to go in settings, you have to go on passwords and autofill, you have to go on Microsoft Password Manager. Now you can see my accounts which I used and where I have my accounts, okay? So you can check my GitHub and all. And what I'm going to do is I have to click on here. It will ask security pin, okay? You have to add your security pin. For some reasons I have to cut the video. So after the cut, here is my password and we are going to enter the pin. Now you can see my account name here, you can see my password here, you can see the website here, and if I clicked here you will see my password also. So I'm not going to reveal that. Hopefully this video was helpful for you. Please like, share, subscribe.